I feel really compelled to remind you of just how amazing you are. Sometimes life gets loud and you get so caught up in adulting and parenting and all of the things that you forget that you're amazing. You forget just how much you are needed and valued in this world. And I don't want you to take that for granted. I know you are so good at showing up for other people. If someone were to call you in their time of need, you are going to show up. If someone needs your help, you are going to be the first one to volunteer. And you see so much good in everyone that's around you. And if anyone is down, you are the first one to lift them up. And yet, and still, when you're down, you forget to lift you up. When you are pouring so much into other people, you forget to pour into you too. You forget to acknowledge all of the things that you have been through and all of the things that you've overcome just to make it to where you are today. And friend, I just had to pause for the cause and just remind you, you're amazing. You are such a special and unique person. There is not one other soul to have ever walked this planet who is like you. And I just had to remind you. I had a whole nother plan for today's video. And I just felt this calling. I felt that it was just imperative that I come on here just to tell you you're amazing. I don't know about you, but you don't hear it enough. And I want you to hear it, but not just with your ears. I want you to hear this message with your whole heart because you are someone who is so strong and resilient. And I know you don't always want to be this strong and resilient. You are probably like, you know what? We could go less on the strength. Because to have acquired the strength and the all of the resilience that you have today, it means that you have gone through some things. And friend, if only people knew everything that you went through to be who you are, to have gotten to this place in your life, they would probably create a statue just of you. Because I know we use things like statues to celebrate the greats, but that doesn't make you any less valuable. And I want you to really, really hear my voice when I remind you of just how important you are. You make a difference in someone's life, and you probably have no idea just how much your presence makes a huge world of difference. There's so many things that you do without hesitation, and I know that it doesn't get recognized enough, but I hope that you give yourself a really big hug and congratulate yourself for being the person that you are. Because with everything that's going on in the world, you still choose to show up and be a light. Even when your light is dim, you still turn it on when it's necessary. I hope that you appreciate yourself for everything that you've been through, everything that you've overcome, and knowing that you are still going to continue to find a way to win. Friend, you are something special. And if no one has told you lately, I'm here. I am here to remind you that we need you. And you have no idea how your strength has set an example for other people. You have no idea the impact that you have on your family, your friends, your coworkers, out in your community. You have no idea how just a smile makes a world of difference for someone. Are you one of those people who, when you smile at someone, you will keep smiling until they smile back? Like, challenge accepted. Oh, you gonna take this smile and you gonna smile back. And if you are like, girl, that is not me, that's okay. That's okay. Because you're the one out there challenging people like me to get you to smile. Like, we're gonna listen one way or another. Maybe not today, but maybe next time I see you. But I was working with a client today who came in and she was just feeling so down on herself. And we've all had those moments where life has served you up with several two-piece combos, okay? And it's like just as soon as you catch your breath, something else hits you and knocks the wind right back out of you. We've all had those moments and those times. But even in the face of adversity and challenge and difficulty, there is still so much good. And there's not just good out there in the world, but there's still so much good in you. And it's so easy to forget all of the things that you like about yourself, the things that you love about yourself when you feel like you're falling short in some way or in some area of your life. And even while that may be true, it still doesn't take away just how amazing you really are. So I just really wanted to take a moment to just tell you you're important, you are valuable, you mean so much to this world, even if you don't see it, even if you have to squint to see it. So do me a favor and get out your journal, even if it's just your notes app on your phone, but write down three things that you really like about yourself. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this encouraging message just as much as I loved making it for you. And I hope that you know from my heart to yours, I appreciate you. You are an amazing human being. And if this is the only interaction that we ever had, I hope that my heart connected to yours in a beautiful way that matters. I love you so much, friend. And as I always remind you at the end of these videos, I love myself so much, I don't play about me. And if you hang out with me long enough, you will love yourself so much, you won't play about you either. Okay, friend? I will meet you in the comments and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.